Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your person's feelings towards you and your feelings towards your person as well. Alright, so we will also check out in the between that the relationship, what is happening, what is the obstacle in between the relationship in between both of you, and what is the next step you are going to take as well as your person is going to take in this relationship. Plus we will see what is the probable final outcome of the situation. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now for my Libras. What is going on for my Libras? Alright, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, let's see now. And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Alright, let's see now. Alright, so let's see now. Okay, so strong, interesting energies are here. Alright, so Libras, you're part of the story. Okay, so how are you feeling towards your person? Is the Page of Swords is coming up. So this is more of a person who wants to communicate. You know, they seek something, they want to seek something. So basically you are the one who really wants to seek something. Either it's an information or you want to seek a communication. This person does not do anything. This is more of a seeker. They just try to gather the information. They just try to, you know, just want to know what is going on. So basically you might be stalking your person over here, Libra. So this is more of a stalker card, and you're trying to get to know where your person is, what is going on with your person. Although the relationship, your feelings towards the relationship is coming with the Hermit card, so it is telling us that this relation might be just over, or it is in a pause or a break, and that is why there's no communication. In the relationship there is no communication, but you want to communicate, or you are trying to communicate, or you're just stalking your person because you want to know what is going on in their life. Your person over here, Libras, they are feeling towards you is the Devil card. So they are really addicted towards you and they really want you. It's like that card, you know, Devil energy. I want this person by anyhow. That kind of a person, that kind of energy, very strong energy for you. And towards this relationship, their energy is like they want to reconcile. They miss you. They want to talk to you, and they want to get back together in this relationship, if this is a pause already in the relationship, because the reconciliation needs to be done over here. That is what they feel. All right, the obstacle between, okay, so let me clarify the cards as well in between. Let me clarify what is going on. Well, your message is clearly visible over here, what is going on, but let's clarify it more. Why the Page of Swords is here in my Libra's energy? Why? Why the Page of Swords is here in my Libra's energy? How are they feeling? Yeah, so it's an energy of you want to talk to them, to your person you are stalking, and you're not going anywhere. That is what your energy is coming up here, Libras. You know, you just want, either you are just waiting for them to come back, or you're just waiting, you're not doing anything. That is what is coming up. You know, no actions involved. Stalking is involved, but nothing else. Yeah, Ace of Wands. This is an idea of communication, an idea of a new something, but just an idea, no action. This is what your energies are coming up, Libras. Let's see why the Hermit card is there in the relationship energy from your part. Why the Hermit card is here in your part. Okay, the Moon and the High Priestess is here for you, Libras. Yeah, strong hideous energy. It's like that somebody is hidden. You know, this relationship is hidden. We don't know where this relationship is going. Somebody is so confused, or somebody is trying to hide something that when we know that yes, that something is hidden, and but we cannot do anything about that situation. That is what this relationship is talking about. With the Hermit, the High Priestess, and the Moon card, you know, all the major arcanas are here. So it clearly means that this message or this relationship is clearly going through some very difficult phase or different changes. In fact, the change is pause. This change is not that sudden change. Oh my God, what is happening? Not that kind of a change. It's like the pause kind of a change, that nothing is happening and we are just waiting and waiting and waiting and nothing is happening. No motions. That is what I am seeing. There's nothing going on. Okay, let's see the Devil energy in your person's energy. Why the Devil is there in your person's feelings towards you? Devil, why Devil is here? The Chariot. See, they just want to come towards you. It's like they're so fast and they want to come and they want to talk to you. Yeah, see, Ten of Pentacles energy is also here. It's like they want to marry you, basically. Libra, somebody is there to marry you because they're addicted towards you so much. They are not letting you go. It's no letting go energies here. And you're also stalking your person here, but you don't know what is going on in the relationship, although they know what is going on. They want to come, they want to contact, or they might be contacting as well. It's like you are trying to be hideous here, Libras, because you are trying to check something, you know, some kind of a test or something, that let's see what my other person is going through and let's see what this person is, the emotions feeling, you know. Might be dealing with the Pisces or Cancer over here, strong water energies, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, something like that. All right. Okay, let's see why this person is why the Six of Cups is there in the person's energies towards the relationship. Why the Six of Cups is here? The King of Pentacles. See, strong Taurus energies are here. They are very strong. They are not going back. It's like that stubbornish energy. You know, no means no. I am fixed and I have taken a decision. They want a reconciliation, Libra, no matter what. You might be hiding from them, or you might be just seeing their status post and something what they are doing. You're not connecting with them, but they just want to communicate with you. Okay, so let's see why the High Priestess is here in your energies of the obstacle. What do you think the obstacle is? Why the High Priestess is here? The obstacle's energy. The Hierophant. Okay, so this might be family issues. The obstacle can be either there's a person, might be a lady as well, coming up in between both of you. Might be, not sure, but this might be a marriage as well. You know, when either you both have married or you were going to get married and you just wanted, like, all of a sudden something came out, that kind of a feeling, you know, that your person or you just found out something about the marriage stuff, or you found out something that was hideous and some kind of an information, because you're also trying to gather some information. That is what I am getting from your reading. It's like Libras, you're trying to get some information about this person, or you found some information, or they also might have found something, and that is why the clashes started to become, you know, to come. Why the Queen of Swords is there in your person? So if your person's obstacle energy is the Queen of Swords, Who is this Queen of Swords? First of all, what is this Queen of Swords? Why is it here? King of Swords, clarification. The obstacle is technically it's your energy as Queen of Swords, Libra here. It can be somebody might have cut someone off here. Somebody was really harsh, and that is what your person feels, that either you were harsh or they were harsh to you, and there were no emotions involved. When we just talk like head-to-head conversation and there's no feeling of emotions in a conversation, that might have happened, and that can be a reason. Caste could have been a problem, like you both are from different caste, or you both are like your difference of opinions and different of there are so much of different things going on in between that the separation could have happened because of that was the obstacle. Okay, so Queen of Wands is here in your energy, where you want to, what is your next action going to be? Libras, why the Queen of Wands is here? Are you going to take some action, Libras? Okay, so we have the Queen of Wands and the Ten of Cups. What else do we have? And the Magician. Alright. It looks like you are manifesting for this person, Libras. You are trying to, you want to communicate. It can be like, I don't know why this person is not your person. It can be your person, it can be someone else as well. Strong Leo energies here, but somebody with whom you might be, because your actions are showing something else, and your thinking, it's like you are thinking about someone, but you are going out with someone else. That is what is coming up. That are the actions. Why the Queen of Wands is here, please? Knight of Swords. I think the communication is going to be from your side. You want to communicate, and you will communicate, because you have always wanted this person, Libra. That is why you are why you are hiding, or why you are trying to figure out something. It's like, why are you doing, if you want this person, because you want this person at the end. But something or the other might be an obstacle, might be strong, some lady energy, strong. It can be a Pisces or a Leo energy, strong, because of whom you are you're cutting yourself off. You see, Ace of Cups is at the end. Communication again, because the reconciliation is there at the end of the card, at the end of the probable outcome. Strong, the Star energy is here. Hopes and dreams becoming a reality. Strong Aquarius energy. Let's see your person's actions towards you. Judgment, again, wanting one more chance. That is what your person is wanting, one more chance. Okay, let's just get together, because strong reconciliation energies are coming from your person, Libras. But why are you not doing anything? That is something. Okay, so let's see why the Judgment energy is here in my Libra's person's actions. King of Wands. See, they are so strongly sitting over there. They are so strong that they want passion. See, they want this Ace of Pentacles. They want to start this new beginning, Libras, with you. It's like you are not doing anything. They really want. They are communicating. They're trying to communicate as well. Somewhere or the other, they are either talking to you that either they are sorry, or they just want to clear out some stuff if they have done something wrong. But yes, they want a communication, and that is why the obstacle from their side is no communication. They want to communicate, but they are not able to communicate with you. Let's see why the Star card is here in the probable outcome energy. Page of Pentacles is here, and what else? And the Emperor. See, somebody needs to take control over this communication, or over this relationship in which you both are going through, because there's somebody who is trying to offer you Libras, there's somebody, but it's like you are in some egoish stuff where you just are standing over there and you are like, no, no means no, no from my side. It's strong no from your side, Libras, but a yes from your person's side more. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.